Okay, so this video is a continuation of the first video, which we're talking about composite of functions. So we were looking at this problem. We have f of x equals x squared plus 1, and then we have g of x equal to x squared plus 3. So they want f circle g and g circle f. So remember, don't um, get bogged down on the notation. This just means f of g of x. And then this means g of f of x. So you work inside out. All right. So what we're doing here is that we're just taking the function g of x. Okay. We're just taking this information here, and all we're doing is we're going to plug it in for x in f. That's it. So in this case, we would have x squared plus 1, right? And what we're doing is we're going to take um, the 2x squared plus 3. So let me delete that there. Okay. And we're going to plug that in for our x. So take this information and plug it in there. Okay. So then this becomes um, 2x squared plus 3 raised to the second power plus 1. Okay. So again, whatever I have for g of x, I'm plugging it in for x. So that's what I'm showing here. Okay. And then we just expand this. So um, when we multiply this out, give me 1 second here. Okay, so when we multiply this out here, so again, you can just do 2x squared plus 3 times 2x squared plus 3. Or you can do a shortcut where it's going to be you square the front, square the back, multiply the two, and double it. So this would be, I square the front, which becomes 4x to the fourth. And I square the back, which is 3 squared, which gives me 9. And then I multiply the two. So 2x squared times 3 is going to give me 6x squared. And then I double it. So that gives me 12x squared. And then plus 9 there. Okay. And then I have that plus 1 here still. So that gives us 4x to the fourth plus 12x squared plus 10 as our final answer for this one. Okay. Again, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, just FOIL it out. The 2x squared plus 3. Okay. All right. Now for the second one, we're going to do exactly the same thing, but in this case, instead of taking g of x and plugging in for f of x, we're going to take f of x and plug it in for g of x. Okay. So, um, so we're going to have 2x squared plus 3. So this is going to be 2 times squared plus 3. Okay. So what I put in that parentheses, I'm going to put in my um, f of x. So in this case, that would be x squared plus 1. Okay. All right. And then again, I go through the same process. I FOIL out the x squared plus 1. Okay. Again, I'm just going to go through, do the shortcut there. So that would be square the front. So that would be x to the fourth, square the back. So that would just be 1. And then multiply the 2, so that's x squared, and double it. So that's going to give me 2x squared. Okay. All right. And then I still got the plus 3. Then I need to distribute the 2. So that's going to give me 2x to the fourth plus 4x squared plus 2 plus 3. And then our final answer would be 2x to the fourth plus 4x squared plus 5. And there's our result.